Hi there, welcome to your next task. This one is dealing with adding pictures into Google Slides and then adding a couple of links in there to get them to go to different places. Very helpful for students so that you don't need to type out a whole link or even shorten it. Just make a cute little picture and then link the picture. So first thing you'll have to do is add 3 slides. So you're just going to come over here. You've probably seen this in other tasks, which is really nice. So you just kind of come all the way over here. And then you're going to see this drop down arrow. That's where you're always going to find extra layouts. That's where I tend to hide all the different response slides. So I just can choose this slide that I need. A couple different really nice shortcuts with Google Slides is you can right click the slides and you can hit duplicate slide as one option. The other option, if you are a fan of keyboard shortcuts, is Control D for duplicate or Command D if you're on a MacBook instead. And you'll get all 3 slides that way. So that's one really nice shortcut. So one way I'm going to show you how to add a picture is by uploading it because you've already saved it on your computer. So you can choose this little image icon and choose Upload from Computer. You can also choose it from the Insert menu. I think that may take a bit longer because then you have to go to the image icon and then you'll see the same options. But all roads lead to Rome. It's kind of whichever one makes the most sense for you. So I'm going to choose Upload from Computer. You're going to see a pull down. And then if you save the picture on your desktop, that works really well. If you save it maybe in an images folder, that's really good too. It's kind of however you see fit. So I'm going to choose the Flipgrid icon. This is one of my favorite tools, so I'm a big fan of using it in this example. And you'll see it's a bit too big, so you can use these blue arrows on a picture to make it smaller, and then use the arrow keys on your keyboard to actually move it where you need to go. Whatever, again, makes the most sense. So click on the name of the tool, I'm going to choose Flipgrid, and then you're just going to add 2 ways that you could use this in your job or in your content, depending what best fits your role. To link an icon or a picture of any kind, select your picture. And then again, you have a couple ways of doing it. One way is to use the insert link option at the very top. You can see the Command K or Control K, again, is a nice shortcut if you like those. You can also find it again under the insert menu and link. So whatever way it makes the most sense. Here's the best news. You don't have to have the link yet. You can just search for it. So I'm just going to search Flipgrid. And then you'll actually see it appear. So let me move this for a minute. And then Flipgrid. It'll say searching, and there it is, flipgrid.com. So if you actually have already created the grid and you have a code, I would link that whole thing. But this is just if you want to link to the actual tool. And there you go. And it'll even give you a little preview now in Google Slides of the website or the picture or the doc, wherever you're linking. Not too bad. The other way I want to show you is how to use the other option. So you can actually search the web within Google Slides. So you can hit Insert Image and search the web. And it'll actually pull a sidebar. Let me move my little webcam all the way on here on the side. So you can try searching for a tool. Try Google Slides. Sometimes it works out really well and sometimes it doesn't. It just kind of depends what you're searching. So here I even try Google Slides app. Doesn't really show anything. Maybe search for icon. There it is. So this is the one I need. And then you can hit insert. And then it'll say it's creating the image. And there it is. And now you can just make it really big. It's a little blurry, but not too bad. So you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to find another tool. I wanted to go ahead and show you my little pro tip here on this first side. Use this slide arrow to go here. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out Teacher Corner. If you're a little bit unsure of what apps would work the best, or you're not really sure what other options you have that are out there, stay tuned. Changes are coming soon to this website. We are constantly updating it with new apps and new things that we are finding here on the iTeam. When you come to Teacher Corner, you're going to get that menu at the very top. I always like to start with EdTech tools because it's easier for me to say, I know I have this activity, I'm trying to find a tool that fits. So let's say I'm needing a brainstorming activity for my course. So I hit brainstorming. And then what we've done is kind of curated a list of some of our favorite tools that can be used for brainstorming. So Padlet, what's this one all about? And once you click on an icon, you get a brief description, a nice little tutorial video, and then some information about that app. very, very helpful when you're trying to kind of narrow that search and find it. Notice the last thing on your task is to go ahead and change the background slide. This is a very useful feature we're going to see throughout the rest of the course. So you're just going to select background, and then we're going to choose an image. If you want an image, you can also simply change the color. So you can go green if you'd like. If you choose the image option, you have a bunch more different ways. You can upload a picture that you have on your computer. Taking a snapshot uses your webcam on your device. If you have the image URL, you can paste it here. If you have it in Google Drive, and look, you even have a search the web option. So I'm going to put yellow polka dots because those are really fun and super cute. Okay, like this one, and then select. Lots of different ways to add a background. All done. And that's changing the background. Thanks for watching this task. Stay tuned for the next few.